Two gas name we all know, carbon dioxide and oxygen, because we are consuming oxygen and in return we are just providing, means we are exhaling carbon dioxide to live. Okay, so this here we will learn more about the air. Here you can see that uh, earth like a thick blanket. Air covers the earth like a thick blanket. This entire line you mark, this is called atmosphere. So if any inside question will come that what is called atmosphere, then you need to write it. The atmosphere is a mixture of gases such as nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. So these gases name with the spelling you need to memorize: nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Nitrogen gas forms most of the air. Oxygen helps animals and human beings to breathe. Carbon dioxide helps plants to make food. Okay, all animals, plants, and human beings needs air to live. Playing exercises in fresh air makes our air is the cleanest in the air makes us healthy. Air is the cleanest in the early hours, because that time the cars and the vehicles are not there, which are just giving in the air the bad gases. Okay, now here few more things you need to write and understand: nitrogen percentage, oxygen percentage, and the other gas percentage. This thing you need to memorize. Now here now when air moves gently, it is called breeze. মৃদু হাওয়া মাঝে মাঝে বিকেল বেলার দিকে যা দেয় যেটা, সেটাকে আমরা বলতে পারি। আর উইন্ড মিন্স খুব স্পিডে when যখন হাওয়া দেয় তখন আমরা বলি উইন্ড। আর স্টর্ম কাকে বলি? যখন আরো মারাত্মক ভাবে সেটা আকার ধারণ করে, তখন সেটাকে আমরা বলি স্টর্ম। আপ টু দিস এভরিথিং ইজ ক্লিয়ার? So please read up to this. After that, I will show you some video. I'm just stopping this share. Okay, just wait for a while because for the video I need to just share it separately. Just wait for a while.
All around us. All living things need air to breathe. We cannot live without air. We cannot see air. We can feel it when it blows. Moving air is called wind. Take some small pieces of paper in your hands. Place your hands in front of a moving fan. What happened to the pieces of paper? The pieces of paper in your hands are blown away due to moving air. Air occupies space. Take a balloon. Blow air into it. The balloon becomes bigger and bigger when it is filled with air. This shows that air occupies space. We can fill air in a swimming tube, football, bicycle tube, etc. Air has weight. Take two empty.
So these things, the properties of air, which is not needed. Now here one
Now
important
cover one of the
thing,
candles with a glass.
thing they have shown that in the air, I told you that some gases are there like oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. Okay, so for burning anything means agun, যেটা জ্বলছে আগুন means that fire always needs oxygen to burn. Okay, so here one
Tumbler.
experiment they have
What
shown.
happens? After some time, you will see that the candle covered by the tumbler goes off. Why? The candle covered with the tumbler could not get air to burn. A thing can keep burning only when it gets air. Uses of air. Air has many uses. Air helps in flying kites. It makes waves in the river or sea.
Yes, now the 15th August is coming, so that is also the Independence Day. So here also we are flying some kites, right? Especially the boys are ready for
It
that day,
helps in
I think
sailing
so.
of a boat. It moves the fans of a windmill. Air
Now these windmills, just whatever picture that just now it has
helps
shown
clothes to dry.
means
It helps
just
Air
here
helps clothes to dry. It helps the fans of a windmill.
these windmills are actually we using it for the for generating some current. This is also helping us for to generate the green energy. Green energy means যেটা এই যে এনার্জিটার জন্য কোনো পরিবেশে ক্ষতি হয় না। Okay,
Air helps clothes to dry. It helps helicopters and aeroplanes to fly in the sky. Unclean air. When
so
harmful
this is the
substances mix with the
concept
air,
of air
they
pollution. Please
unclean the
say it
air.
nicely.
This is called air pollution. We need clean and fresh air to breathe. Breathing unclean air can make us ill. Harmful effects of unclean air. It can cause breathing problems like asthma. It can cause headaches and dizziness. Pollution also harms plants and animals. Steps taken to keep air clean. We should not cut down trees because trees give us clean.
Okay, so here the rest of the parts are not needed. So here the air pollution we are just about to start. So I am again going to share our book. I hope that you all can see. So air pollution, what it is written? The air pollution, it is written that air gets polluted. Air gets polluted when air gets polluted when it gets mixed with unwanted gases, dust, etc., and becomes dirty. Dirty fumes from the factories and vehicles cause air pollution. Pollen grains. Pollen grains means this is from the flower, especially in the hibiscus flower. The pollen grains we can see very easily. Means that the yellowish part on the stand of the flower. Okay, that is known as pollen grain. The pollen grain can also make the air dirty. Burning dry leaves and garbage also pollutes the air. Okay, please mark up to this. So here, air pollution causes many allergy and breathing diseases. One disease I right now you have seen that asthma. Not only asthma, some breathing troubles also caused for the air pollution. It also kills tree and makes the weather very hot. And this phenomena, if this is going on and on, our world will just suffer the consequences. Okay, the scientists are saying like that. So next is clean air. Clean air is pollution. Pollution in the air is harmful to all living being, obviously. Therefore, it is important to keep air clean. We should do following things to keep our air clean. We should plant more trees. The oxygen that we breathe in comes from the plants and trees. Here, to stop the air pollution, the procedure also it has shown. In the previous videos only we have seen that. Okay. No, I have just leave your hair for some time. Do the class. I will leave you very soon. We breathe. The weather in comes from the plants and trees. The green leaves of the plants produce oxygen while making food. We should keep check on smoke that comes out from vehicles factories. Okay, so check means what? How we can check it? There are some standard procedures. Okay, if government is saying us like yes, your vehicle is good to go, good to run on the street, then only we should use the vehicles. We should avoid bursting firecrackers. But we, as an Indian, we will never listen it. I know they make more noise apart from the polluting air. Up to this, you just mark everything and read everything. If you are having any doubt, only just call me. Yes, no, Ida, unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Hmm.
May I drink water?
Yes, obviously.
Okay, ma'am.
Read up to this part and ask me if you are having any questions or not. Yes, Soel, you are having any question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ask me.
Ma'am, 26 page. Yard, yard pollution cases many. Ma'am, next what?
Air pollution causes many breathing diseases, many allergies and breathing diseases. Allergy means some people you will see that in the polluted air they are sneezing. Sneezing means hacho kora. Okay, so these kind of reactions are there. Now you have understood, Soil. You have mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Rafiqul, say your question.
Ma'am, my phone see I am not do math class.
Why?
I am do math class, but my phone see I am not
He
do.
was not there, Rafiqul, while I was taking the attendance. I have cross-checked it. Don't try to make me fool. I do have a recording of the session also. Okay, I can check it at any time. Yes, Amar.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have completed the reading.
Okay, any doubts you are having?
Nothing. No, ma'am.
Okay. Sabnoor, any doubts you are having?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
you class you writing exercise G number 1. I will not write.
You have not written. You should say that, ma'am, I have not wrote those things. Okay, that thing I have uploaded in the study material section, that PDF. Okay, just wait for a while. I am just showing where I have uploaded. Just
Okay, ma'am.
Sabnu, don't mute yourself. Okay, just ignore this red line. So go to study material. Since this is my computer, this is a little different. Okay, in the study material you will able to see in the below one folder is there. Okay, just wait for a while. FA1 computer, FA1 maths, like these, all the folders are there. Okay, so in the below the folder is must be there. SA1 SST. Can you see Sabnu? SA1
Yes,
SST. Okay, so enter on that folder. Enter on that folder. See, yesterday's date is there. Okay, open it. SST chapter 4 question and answer PDF. Like this way, every day's work has been posted. Okay. 11, the screenshot means in the book whatever I have marked, everything is posted over here. Please check it. Like again, you go, suppose you have missed some maths class. Okay, maths essay 1. Here you can see, you are able to see that every class work means today's class also, today's date and CW's board work, like this way, 2, 3, 4. I hope that everyone can see how it is getting posted. Okay, so like this way you all are able to see what I am doing every day. So if you are missing any class or anything, for some network reason you are unable to see, check the study material folder, and if you are not finding it, tell me it in the chat section. I will definitely guide you. Okay,
okay,
so
ma'am.
today's class is up to this. I am going to check your attendance and I am going to leave you. Just wait for a while. Yes, Rajbir, you are having any doubt, please unmute yourself.
Ma'am, sorry. I am get out of the class. Please
You are,
present me, ma'am.
yes, yes, yes. I am right now, you are there.
And ma'am,
Yes, Rajbir. Tell me.
ma'am,
Hmm.
what you have to mark now?
Nothing I have told. Mostly I will post it, okay? So see it from there.
Okay, ma'am.
Because board, if I'm doing any board work, that board work is staying, but if I'm going to do any kind of marking part or anything like that, that is not staying. Yes, Sifa and Amar, unmuting both. Tell me.
Ma'am, tomorrow surprise test will be continued or not?
No surprise test will be there tomorrow. Okay.
Ma'am, tomorrow is Saturday, na?
Yes. Saturday, since this is Independence Day week, no surprise test will be there for tomorrow. Okay.
No, ma'am, test.
No test. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Jessica, go ahead. Unmute.
Ma'am, sorry, but you say that tomorrow is not exam. I am saying that one chapter will be given.
No. Tomorrow is no exam. That is why I am completing maths, because other section I have started computer. Okay. Since the syllabus are not going parallelly, their test will not be there. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
I'm ending this class. I hope that no question is there.